So this is the exact moment based on which Devon decided that he will defeat Vitaly Laletin. To be honest, I don't see much here. It could either be Devon cracking Vitaly's wrist effortlessly, which is unlikely, or Vitaly just giving it up himself. He was not even trying. He thought that the air pulling is over. In the past, we have seen Vitaly's wrist go back a bunch of times. It's not a new thing. So I won't be surprised at all if Devon does that in their match. Not just the right arm match, but maybe the left arm match too. But this does not tell us anything. I don't see any strain on Vitaly's face. I don't think he was even trying. But even if he wasn't, the confidence that Devon showed afterwards did make him nervous. So looks like Devon's mind games worked. Now let's discuss the press conference segments of Michael versus Kamil, Todd Hutchings versus Petrenko, and Devon versus Vitaly. Robert Baxter said that the pathway for Michael to get to Levan is to be in the top 5 rankings, because that's what Levan asked. So if Michael wants to face Levan, he needs to beat Kamil. To me it sounds a little bit weird. What about Kamil Jablonski? He's already number 5. Why are you not giving him a super match against Levan? Is he himself saying that he's not ready, or Levan doesn't want to face him? When they say stuff like that, it almost feels to me as if the organizers want Kamil to lose this match because they want to see Michael versus Levan match. I mean, the fans are also rooting for the same. They also want to see Kamil lose, but it's different when the fans want it versus when the organizers want it. Kamil said that the last time he underestimated Michael. He thought he would smash Michael easily. But now he's coming for him. He's prepared. When he saw Hermes and Vitaly press through Michael, it made him think that he can do that even easier. I do not agree with that. They started with a top roll and then went for a press. It's not like Kamil can start with a top roll against Michael. He's going to lose if it does so. Michael said that the Vitaly and Hermes match didn't go his way. He didn't get a shot to compete against Levan. But now it is his time. It's his best version ever and he will win to face Levan. Hermes predicted this match by saying that Kamil will lose once again if he goes straight for a press. That's not how you can defeat Michael Todd. It's impossible to press Michael with just a press. John Brzezinski said that you have to literally kill Michael to stop him. That's a little too much. That kind of line would suit someone like Levan Saginashvili and not Michael Todd. Todd Hutchings believes that Oleg Petrenko may be slightly stronger than him. He has a stronger hand and better speed for sure. But Todd has the endurance. Endurance in the areas where he's planning to take this match. That is an ugly fight where both of the arm wrestlers have their wrist bent back. That's where Todd is planning to win this match. And to do that, he's hoping that every round lasts 3 minutes. As soon as John Brzezinski asked if it is a 7-round match, it brought an immediate smile on Todd's face. That shows you that he's planning to win this match in an ugly endurance battle. Oleg Petrenko said that he's prepared to defeat Todd. Yes, Todd has a better endurance, but I am stronger and I am faster. Devon Larratt started his segment of the press conference by praising Vitaly, and he ended it by praising Vitaly. That was a very respectful press conference, unlike any of other Devon Larratt press conferences. He said he doesn't remember when was the last time Vitaly lost a left-handed match. Vitaly is the best in this era, and it's a possibility that if you are the best in this era, you are the best that has ever existed. That's how much Devon respects Vitaly's left arm. I've brought my best shape. I will bring the trophies back to Canada after a very long time. Devon said that Vitaly's weakness is going to be his floppy wrist and his small pencil-sized thumb. But his biggest weapon is going to be his best-in-class top roll. Maybe after Levan, he has the best top roll in the super heavyweight division. The hand strength that Vitaly has is record-breaking. He has the best grip in arm wrestling and possibly in the entire world. And now the most dangerous aspect about Vitaly, as per Devon, is now he can follow up a top roll with a press. And that always scares Devon if he's not prepared to deal with it. John Brzezinski also said that Vitaly has the best hand and best cup behind Levan. He also thinks that Devon has the best pronation in the world. But still, Vitaly is going to be a big challenge for Devon because Devon is not used to of giving up his height advantage. And he will have to do that in this match. Use code Pradeep to get 5% off the pay-per-view price. Purchase the pay-per-view from the link in the description. I'll see you again.